Can a divorce affect you from qualification? And how do you cope with life after divorce and getting a loan, getting a mortgage? Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, Where America Goes for Funding. Today we're talking about divorce, the big D, and getting funding. Can a divorce affect you from qualification? And how do you cope with life after divorce and getting a loan, getting a mortgage? A lot of our clients that reach out to us every single year, in fact, thousands of people that are going through divorce and their credit's tarnished, they're affected emotionally, financially, spiritually, and they're trying to figure out how to get funding, whether you're trying to do a divorce buyout, maybe your spouse is awarded the property through the divorce and you're trying to get your name off of the loan, or you're trying to get funding to start your life over to get a new home, and that divorce wrecked your credit. So there's a lot of things you have to think about when getting a divorce and getting a loan after, because obviously your life is going to go on and you're probably going to want to buy a house again, or maybe you have to buy out your spouse, your ex-spouse. So there's a lot of things that we're going to talk about today to help you to figure out how to get funding. The first thing is make sure that when you get the divorce, through the divorce decree, that your name is taken off of the loan, and the judge is decreeing whoever's going to own that property, it's written in the divorce decree. So that way you're not stuck with that property. The judge clearly puts in there that if you're going to be the property owner, that property spells out your name and you're going to own the property, and it's not going to be tied to him. Because if they don't put that in there, then you can still be liable for the property, liable for the debt after the divorce. Also, make sure you track all your payments with everything don't pay anything with cash. Pay everything with checks if you can, so you can show proof that you're making the payments on all your debts. Because a lot of times what happens is after divorce, you're not able to document making payments on car loans, mortgage loans. Now those debts don't belong to you anymore, they belong to your ex-husband. But if you can't show proof that he or she's paying that, then you can still be liable for that after divorce, and it can affect your debt ratio from qualification. If you're trying to buy your partner, your ex-partner out after divorce, that's totally fine. There's ways to do that with non-QM loans, no-doc loans, FHA loans, VA loans, conventional loans. There's a lot of different solutions. And maybe your credit isn't where it needs to be. We can take a look at maybe possibly helping you with a credit booster to get your score up so you can qualify, so you can get the loan. That's the great thing about our company, is that we're very solution oriented. We try to figure out a way how to help you, whether you're doing a divorce buyout, you're trying to get a new loan after the divorce, and you're trying to figure out what to do. And a lot of times people's credit and their finances get messed up. So we want to be able to figure out a way how to help you through that, so you can have a fresh start and get on your feet again. We have so many different loan programs, no-doc loans, non-QM loans, private loans, investor loans, jumbo loans, on how to help you out. So please reach out to Angelo Christian if we can help you with a fresh start life after divorce. Call or text us at 832-431-6321. Thank you so much.